Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a stylish and functional product that can elevate your home's interior, the Gobrico 30-pack satin nickel cabinet pulls. We discovered this gem online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the Gobrico satin nickel cabinet pulls are all about. This product comes as a pack of 30, featuring 4-inch hole center cabinet pulls, which are perfect for various types of furniture. Each pull has a total length of 6 3/8 inches, with a sleek T-bar Euro style and a brushed nickel finish that gives a modern touch to any space. These cabinet handles are not just aesthetically pleasing but also designed for convenience and functionality. One of the standout features of these pulls is their premium quality. Made from hollow stainless steel, they offer durability while maintaining a lightweight profile. The satin nickel finish not only enhances their style but also ensures they are highly resistant to scratches, dents, and corrosion. This means you can enjoy their sleek look for years to come without worrying about wear and tear. Plus, they provide a smooth and comfortable touch, making them easy to grip when opening cabinets. Installation is a breeze with the Gobrico pulls. Each handle comes individually packaged to avoid scratches during transportation. The package includes pre-drilled holes and a variety of mounting screws, 1 inch, 1 2/5 inch, and 1 3/4 inch, to accommodate different cabinet thicknesses. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting with home improvement, you'll find these pulls easy to install, allowing for a quick and hassle-free upgrade to your cabinets. But who exactly are these cabinet pulls suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys DIY projects or home renovations, these pulls are a fantastic choice. They cater to homeowners looking to enhance the look of their kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or even office cabinets. If you're in the process of remodeling or simply want to refresh your space without a complete overhaul, these satin nickel cabinet handles can make a significant impact. Let's talk about some practical use cases for the Gobrico cabinet pulls. Imagine you've just installed new cabinets in your kitchen. These pulls can add that perfect finishing touch. They work beautifully on kitchen cupboards, providing not only functionality but also a modern aesthetic. In the bathroom, they can complement your vanity setup, giving it a sophisticated look that ties the room together. If you have furniture like dressers or cabinets in your bedroom, these handles can be a wonderful way to update old pieces, making them feel new again. Even in an office setting, they can bring a touch of professionalism and class to your workspace. In summary, the Gobrico 30-pack satin nickel cabinet pulls represent an excellent combination of style, durability, and ease of installation. Whether you're upgrading your cabinets in the kitchen, bathroom, or any other room, these pulls offer versatility and a modern flair that can enhance any space. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.